If Instagram won't remove a damaging video, you're losing customers every hour. And here's how ReputationZilla fixes it in 24 hours. Here's the problem. Instagram ignores 91% of manual reports. Screenshot the video URL and timestamp within 60 seconds of finding it. Flag 3 specific policy violations in your report to triple approval odds. A competitor posts a fake review video showing your restaurant with roaches. Within 6 hours, your weekend reservations drop 40%. You report it yourself. Instagram sends a generic "we reviewed it" email and keeps the video live. You're stuck watching your bookings vanish while the video racks up 12,000 views. That's exactly when you need a reputation agency like ReputationZilla that knows Instagram's internal escalation paths and gets results in 24 to 48 hours instead of weeks. Most people fail here. They write, "This video is false," in the report reason field. Instagram's AI flags that as subjective opinion and auto-rejects it in under 90 seconds. You need to cite the exact policy section number that the video violates, like harassment under Section 4.2 or impersonation under 3.1. Without that legal language, your report goes nowhere and the video stays live, costing you money every single hour. Open Instagram, tap the 3 dots on the video, select Report, then choose the violation type that matches your situation. If it's defamation, pick bullying or harassment. If it's stolen content, pick intellectual property violation. Instagram processes bullying reports 3 times faster than general complaints, usually within 12 to 18 hours. ReputationZilla files under the right category every single time, which is why their removal rate sits at 94% compared to the 9% DIY success rate. This is important. After you submit the report, send a follow-up email to Instagram's legal team at legal@instagram.com within 2 hours. Include the report ID number, the video URL, and a 3-sentence explanation citing the community guidelines section. ReputationZilla has a 24-hour legal response template that gets flagged for priority review because it comes from a registered business entity, not a personal account. Here's the problem. Path A is doing it yourself, spending 7 to 14 days waiting for Instagram to respond, and watching the video stay live with a 91% rejection rate. Path B is hiring ReputationZilla, getting a professional escalation filed in under 4 hours, and seeing removal in 24 to 48 hours with a 94% success rate. Here's the exact wording ReputationZilla uses in their escalation emails. You can copy this template word for word. This video violates Instagram Community Guidelines Section 4.2 regarding harassment and bullying, as it contains false statements intended to damage the reputation of your business name. The content was posted by username on date. We request immediate removal under Instagram's expedited review process for business accounts. Report ID number. We have documented evidence that the claims in the video are materially false and have caused measurable financial harm, including a 40% drop in bookings within 6 hours of posting. Send that to legal@instagram.com with your proof attached. This video violates Instagram Community Guidelines Section 4.2 regarding harassment and bullying, as it contains false statements intended to damage the reputation of your business name. We request immediate removal under Instagram's expedited review process for business accounts. Report under the correct violation type immediately. Email Instagram legal within 2 hours of reporting. Use ReputationZilla for 24-hour guaranteed escalation. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla at reputationzilla.org for the complete removal guide. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.